It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 24th of June. I'm Michael Groff. After an unusual day yesterday that brought rain and unseasonably cool temperatures, we will start to warm it up and dry it out today, and that will continue through the weekend before the moisture starts to return next week with increasing chances of showers, thunderstorms, and storm coverage may become fairly widespread by the middle of next week. Yeah, so a lot going on. Let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 95 degrees was the high, but that occurred in the midnight hour. That low temperature of 78, that occurred at 1:30 p.m. The normal high, 106, the normal low, 81, and we picked up 0.17 of an inch of rain at Sky Harbor. Obviously very unusual. Only 3 other occasions have seen measurable rain on June 23rd, and that's the most rain we've had on any June day since 1984. It's also the coolest June 23rd we've had since 1972. So definitely notable. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 7:25 a.m., a few clouds out there this morning. We're sitting at 82 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 61, relative humidity 49%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures this morning, 67, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. Otherwise, we are in the mid-70s to low 80s through most of the metro. The upper air look shows that low pressure area along the central and northern California coast beginning to weaken, and the flow aloft is starting to turn more southwesterly across the state today, and that will serve to dry us out. Rain chances should be confined to the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona today. Here's the watch warning map, and once again, the big story is out here in the west with elevated fire danger and those excessive heat watches and some heat warnings now popping up over the Pacific Northwest. Temperatures may well exceed 110 degrees by late in the weekend and through at least the first half of next week in some spots up that way. In fact, some locations in eastern Washington, Oregon, and Idaho could be warmer than we are next week. The convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms, level 3 out of 5 over parts of Kansas, Nebraska, and Missouri. The standard slight risk from near Dodge City all the way north and eastward toward Green Bay. Here's a look at rainfall for the next 7 days, and totals here in Phoenix generally under 1/10 of an inch, although rain could exceed 1 inch over in the eastern mountains of our state and perhaps up across the rim. Of course, these maps get more difficult to draw once we get into the monsoon season, given that any one spot can certainly see a lot more than what's shown here. This kind of represents an average across the area. We'll talk about that monsoon moisture when it might come back as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our weakening low over central and northern California today. And with that flattening out and a slight de-amplification of the pattern across the southwest, the flow is turning more southwesterly here, so that should start to dry us out. So down at the surface, the sky partly cloudy this morning, mostly sunny this afternoon, still a few clouds around. There's an outside shot that we could see a shower or storm over the lower deserts. The chance of rain is technically not 0, but we're going to keep it out of our forecast. Better chances of storms over the higher terrain, and even that should remain fairly isolated. High temperatures this afternoon should be much warmer than yesterday, around 99 to 103. Tonight, mostly clear, overnight lows, mid-70s to low 80s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and warmer, highs 103 to 107. On Saturday, we continue mostly sunny, dry, high temperatures 104 to 108. On Sunday, with that strong ridge building over the Pacific Northwest, the flow aloft is gradually turning easterly. We see a trough digging down through the plain states as well. So moisture not too far away. In fact, I would not be surprised to see some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the eastern mountains Sunday, though I don't think they'll get into the lower deserts. And high temperatures 107 to 111. On Monday, continued easterly flow, scattered showers and thunderstorms over the eastern mountains. Some of those will make their way to the lower deserts at that point. So we'll go with at least a 20% chance of rain here in Phoenix at that time. And high temperatures still toasty, 107 to 111. But thereafter, temperatures will trend down. Moisture continues to trend up. Here's Tuesday. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. They may even become numerous as we see evidence of an inverted trough headed our way. And so conditions could get rather unsettled. High temperatures will trend down several degrees here. Same thing on Wednesday. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. And high temperatures might only be in the upper 90s to around 104. So readings below average. Of course, the humidity levels will be elevated, but that's a trade we'll take every day of the week and twice on Sunday. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 1st of July. 594 ridge sitting over the Pacific Northwest. Blocking pattern in place, that trough over the Plain States, and some type of inverted trough or cyclonic flow here over the southwest. Easterly winds aloft, so scattered to numerous afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms continue. In fact, some model guidance might even have storms becoming more widespread at this point across perhaps the entire region. So that would be nice. Rain chances elevated, temperatures would continue to be below average. Then, looking out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 3rd of July. Still have a very impressive ridge over the Pacific Northwest and the Northeast Pacific, troughing in the plains. The pattern just not changing much. Scattered to numerous afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms continue here across the Southwest, including pretty good rain chances here in Phoenix, the lower deserts. And high temperatures would remain at or below normal with elevated humidity levels. All right, taking a look at precipitation for the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble here in Phoenix. And look at the control member, well over an inch of rain. The ensemble mean up around a half an inch, so still impressive rain chances for late June and early July as a somewhat unusual, although not completely unheard of weather pattern may well set in here. And that is certainly welcome news after our last couple of non-soon monsoons here. And temperatures off the national blend of models, we'll warm it up this weekend. Highs getting around or maybe just above 110 and then trending down next week, maybe even cooler than what is shown here, depending on rainfall, cloud cover, precipitation, all of that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, and have yourselves a terrific Thursday.